Hello guys, happy weekend. So guys, you can buy tokenized assets on some crypto exchange. If you have coin market app, you can search for tokenized assets. So guys, you can buy assets like TSLEX. So guys, TSLEX is Tesla tokenized stock. If you have coin market app, you click on markets, you will see list of crypto exchange where you can buy this stock. So guys, you can buy this on gate.io crypto exchange. You can buy this on Radium, on BingX, and other listed crypto exchange. So guys, if you have gate.io crypto exchange, you can search for TSLAX. You can buy some fraction of Tesla if you have USDT. You can also buy this on Phantom Wallet. On your Phantom Wallet, you search for TSLAX. Make sure you have Solana. You will swap Solana to buy this stock. So guys, don't forget this. You can also buy other stock like CRCLX. CRCLX is owned by Circle, the owner of USDC. So guys, you can buy Circle tokenized stock. If you click on markets, you will see list of crypto exchange where you can buy this stock. So guys, you can buy this on bybit, you can buy this on gate.io, you can buy this on BingX, on Radium. So guys, let's search for this on bybit. You click on spot trade, you search for CRCLX. So guys, make sure you have USDT. If you have USDT, you can buy some fraction of this stock. So guys, on Bybit exchange, you click on more. When you click on more, you click on trade. If you want to click on trade, you will see trade fee. So guys, you can trade forex, you can buy commodities on Bybit exchange. You have to follow this process to trade forex and commodities on Bybit exchange. So guys, don't forget this. I don't understand this yet, but as soon as I understand it, I'll make a video on how to go about trading forex on Bybit. So guys, you can also buy CoinX. You can also buy CoinX. CoinX is Coinbase tokenized stock. So guys, these are the list of crypto exchange where you can buy CoinX. You can buy CoinX on Bybit. You can buy it on Mexi, on Gate.io crypto exchange. So guys, let us search for CoinX on Bybit. CoinX. So guys, this is CoinX. Make sure you have USDT. So guys, you can take advantage of some of these stocks on different crypto exchange. If you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.